Hi friends, this is Satish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to tell you one story. This is the real story, little emotional story. Happened last day in my life. Yesterday I was here, sleeping in my bed and same this much distance, and I was watching a YouTube video channel, and I was busy in my mobile. And suddenly, you are seeing one. Iranian plant here. In that place, one crow came and is making lot of noise. Generally, it never happened in my life. So here, generally, I arrange one small clay pot. You are seeing the water pot. You generally came and silently drink the water, and you may be able to see in the mirror image that shining of the water. So generally cow came and cow stand here in this tree. Two crows are there. They like to visit here as like a neighbor, as like a friend, and they visit here. They drink little water, and they're busy in their life and they search of the food. So suddenly they make the shout here. So generally it never happened. They came at that place and simply drink the water and left over that place. But they came here and make the very noise and very sound. It is unusual. And I came outside and noticed what happened. Then I noticed here exactly this space. One parrotfish jump out of the pot and this small pond, and she's almost dead. There is no body movement, nothing at all, and I thought it's almost death. Then I take it and put into the water. So you may be seeing two orange color parrotfish that bled orchid. The bed parrotfish, it's one of the intellectual fish. So in that, what happened, one of the fish completely lie down inside the water. Then after, there is no any gill movement or fin movement, tail movement, nothing. Body completely as like a coma stage or dead stage, because maybe almost 15-20 minutes the fish is in outside, and almost it's a death. Then the another friend of the fish, what they did, that fish hit that fish repeatedly over the chest area. And if you have already this parrotfish, you maybe know that parrotfish have the ability to take the sand from one place to another place. So you can able to see this stone full up with the sand, and this creativity did only by this parrotfish, that big parrotfish. They remove small stone from one place to another place, and they have the kissing nature. So mouth to mouth kissing nature is there. So that tendency and habit that other fish want that partner and friend, make to alive, make to wake up, hitting repeatedly and giving the breath with the mouth repeatedly. So it's a really very emotional scene that time. That time I have the mobile, but I don't have that much dare to take the video. So it's a really very dramatic situation. I don't know even the fish will survive or not. After few seconds, the fins start the move, and the gills start the move, body start to move, but not that much healthy movement, very slow movement. And after 1 hour, 2 hour, the body little moving, after little swimming, again taking rest. Then after, I gave little food, but not take the food also. Very weak body, unable to come outside also. Generally it not happen that parrotfish always like to roam down, it never come outside and jump. Generally shark fishes, and you are seeing this type of the golden fishes like to jump sometime. And especially koi crabs jumps mostly, they don't like this type of the round structure. They like the long structure where like a canals, they like the canal like structure. They don't like this type of the structure. So that's why you can maybe molly koi crabs. Yes, the red color one is the koi crab, that white and red. So that happened. Then after, now it's very healthy, they are each other playing and they fighting, and they are disturbing other yellow and red color uh, blood parrot lead. So this has happened. This is one of the story, and very painful story, but I learned one thing, the conclusion of the story. When you keeping this one, try to maintain one small mesh as like a net. So that type of the mesh will provide you, that will not jump outside. So Generally, when even trying to jump also, after hitting that one, it must go inside again the water pond. So that is one of the important. So I am still keeping the daring and not keeping anything, but it's my advice, keep like that. Then that pond will be healthy with the sunlight, and they will get good aeration, everything. But it must be mandatory. If you keeping like that, then it will be a healthy. So it's a fishes again, not jump. This time I was lucky, at least I was there and I saw that one and keep inside the water. And another thing I learned one is, nature understand each other very well. So one crow helped me, I just kept the water for the crows and nothing more. I never gave any food also, but that helped me a lot in that situation. The unusual sounds, so sometimes you need to notice all those things. The nature tells you so many things. That is very important thing. And another thing, those two friends, they're the best friends since 3 4 months, and since childhood they two are the best friends. Those two fishes recently I brought during my birthday. So otherwise, those two are the best friends and they play each other, they like to dominate this pond. So they may help each other and survive, and it's very healthy now, and they are playing each other very active. So this is the conclusion. So one is keep the net, another one maintain little less water, not keep at top level, little less water. And another, they have the nature of the fighting and jumping, all those things. They don't understand it's a small pond, but they have the intellectual brain. They utilize that really that movement. Even a human being also nowadays, if someone fall on the road, no one help each other. Even they think, no, it's a police case, why should I help that fellow? But this is the nature, you can able to see they are helping each other and they are now very happy. So that is very important in your life. Thank you very much, friends.